Hi everyone, welcome to Anju's Craft Obsessions. Today's craft is Best from Waste DIY. The waste material I have used is empty pill bottles. First, roll 1.5 sheets of newspaper in a ball. I covered the ball with the masking tape so that it will be a tight ball and I'll be able to stick the clay easily on it. As you can see, I stuck the ball on the pill bottle. That would be head for the bear. Since the teddy bear has a rounded body, I stuck newspaper pieces all around the bottle. As you can see here too, I stuck the masking tape over the newspaper pieces. I just gauged how big I wanted the newspaper pieces. As you go and as you practice, you start understanding what shapes and how big you want the pieces to be. The armature is done. I covered it with the clay. Since the pieces of clay that I'm sticking are going to be the bear's clothes, you take a thicker sheet of clay. The upper half of the body is shirt and the lower half is pants. Pants are shown by the indentations in the crotch area, and then there are horizontal indentations on the lower part of the pants. Those are done to show shoes. Here I'm sticking suspenders for the pants. I made suspenders. You can make a belt on his pants if you want. Now the collar for the shirt. Now I have started sculpting the face for the bear. First I made the nose and a mouth for the bear. Now I added a big fat cheek to the bear. These cheeks are necessary because they will make them look cute. Sculpting is so much fun. It's very calming, at least for me. The brow part of the animal is raised, so that's what I'm sculpting right now. I used water to smooth the clay out as much as possible. Here I added some clay on top of his head to give it some body and shape. And now time to add some ears. Now these are the arms, that means it's sleeve of the shirt. I hollowed the sleeves out so that they won't be bulky and heavy, and also it dries faster. Here I made the hands for the bear. Instead of a shirt, of course you can make a sweater or a vest or coat or whatever you like. First I positioned the arms or sleeves the way I wanted, and then I stuck those hands with the help of glue in the sleeves. With silicone molds, I made flowers, then stuck them on the shirt to make bouquet. Here I made stems for the flowers in the bouquet. To make the hat, I took a piece of aluminum foil as big as I wanted, made a squarish shape out of it, covered that with the clay, and then that shape I stuck on the circle of the clay as shown. I put the ribbon around the crown of his hat. Doesn't he look handsome with the hat on? Here I made a little tie for the bear. I stuck the strip of clay to make shoes. And now he's all ready and dressed up for a party. Now I'm making the armature for the lady teddy bear. It's a little different, so I decided to show it in the video. Since the lady teddy bear was going to have a gown, I made a rope out of newspaper and coiled it on the lower half of the bottle. Then I covered the coiled newspaper with the masking tape. This will make it easier for me to drape the gown on her body. Here I'm making the lace for her gown, and after I make the lace, I stuck it on the strip of the clay that would be a cloth for her gown, so it becomes a laced cloth. Here I made the bodice for her gown. To make the little purse, I took a small piece of cardboard, covered it around with the masking tape, and then stuck the clay on it. Now the purse is almost ready with the flap. I'm making the handle for the purse by twisting the rope of the clay. purse is all decorated with the flower on it. And now our lady bear has her purse ready. Now painted the bears and applied varnish on them. And here are my adorable teddy bears all painted. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one. Bye.